Gizmo, my Gizmos, new creative platform, new viral app. So unleash your creativity with Gizmo, free app that transforms your ideas into interactive experiences in seconds. Create without limits. Design everything from interactive puzzles and hilarious memes to 3D toys using simple prompts. Share your creations instantly with public URLs. Post your Gizmos to the feed and join the community. Join a world of inspiration, powerful creation tools. So here you have it: create, chat, community, discover, tweak, photos. So let's just open it up and see how it works. So for example, here you can see different templates which you can use. You can also create your own idea. I don't know, whatever to this kind of AI tool, and it's creating this template. So this is kind of something similar with AI, like Reels template maker, also like GIF maker. Everything is combined with AI, where you can create your own templates yourself using AI basically, and just share them. So pretty cool. Everything you can create, from memes to 3D toys, share your creations, and that's the idea. So for example, you just created this GIF, and then you can add some tweaks. So flow speed, you can have like waterfall width, for example. You can add some text, you can add different colors. So it's kind of like AI editor, pretty cool. And then you just sharing it. Add sounds, add vibes, and then you can see again different people in here. You can search for them. Games, creative and design. Wow. So all types of things, kind of like, just AI generated stuff, which includes simple apps, simple images, cameras, for example, different. Yeah, pretty cool. And it's I just don't know why the feed is not moving. Okay, so you need to. So as you can see, like simple games in here. Wow. Why I can't shoot? Quite addictive. And then you see this is just a simple game created by AI, and then you instantly just share it and people like it. So then you just like it, and then you just bookmark it, and yeah, then you can see all of the studios, your account. You can invite friends. I don't know whether who can message me, contact support, TikTok. And that's kind of new AI Instagram, where basically you're creating this kind of viral apps and use this photo, make a camera, play this sound, let me draw when I shake my phone, add a timer, transcribe this audio, add a button. So quite cool idea. So that's the app.